Identifying cannibalization issues in your content is critical for your SEO strategy. If you're not sure what that means, it's when multiple pages on your website are competing for the same keywords, which can lead to a drop in search rankings for all of them. Let me show you exactly how to identify and fix these issues, so you can stop wasting your content and start ranking higher. First off, what is content cannibalization? Simply put, it happens when you have multiple pieces of content targeting the same or similar keywords. Google might struggle to figure out which page to rank, and as a result, none of them perform well. But don't worry, this can be fixed. The first step to identifying content cannibalization is to review your keyword strategy. Go through your pages and check which keywords are being targeted. Are there multiple pages trying to rank for the same or very similar keywords? If so, you likely have some cannibalization issues. Next, you'll want to audit your content to find out if multiple pages are indeed competing. The easiest way to do this is by using a tool like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or even Google Search Console. These tools will show you which pages are ranking for the same keywords. If you see multiple pages in the search results for the same keyword, that's a red flag. Once you've identified the pages, it's time to analyze the performance. Are these pages ranking well, or are they stuck in a mid-level position? If the pages are not ranking where you expect them to, it's likely that they're cannibalizing each other's SEO potential. Google will often pick one page to rank, and it might not be the page you want. After identifying the pages with cannibalization issues, you have two main options. First, you can consolidate the content. If the pages are targeting the same audience or providing similar information, combine them into one strong, authoritative page. Make sure to use 301 redirects to pass on the SEO value from the old pages to the new one. If you prefer to keep the pages separate, make sure they are targeting different, more specific long-tail keywords. Use variations of the main keyword to give each page a distinct focus. Update the content to match those unique keywords and ensure they are clearly different in terms of subject matter. Another option is to adjust the internal linking. Make sure you're linking to the most relevant page for the target keyword and reducing links to pages that are competing for the same terms. This will help guide Google and your users toward the best possible content. Finally, regularly monitor your pages to ensure no new cannibalization issues crop up. Set up alerts in Google Search Console or your SEO tool of choice to track changes in rankings. This way, you'll know if your pages are still competing for the same keywords over time. To wrap up, the key takeaway here is keep your keyword strategy tight and avoid overlapping content that competes for the same search terms. Remember, identifying cannibalization issues requires a careful review of your keyword targeting and performance data. Once you've pinpointed the problem, you can either consolidate content or refine your keywords to make sure you're maximizing your SEO potential. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This trial is for viewers of my channel only, and it's a great way to follow along and fix any cannibalization issues on your site. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your content strategy.